Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log out of your Binance account. To begin, navigate to the Binance website or open the mobile application. Look for your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner on the web or a corner on the app. Click or tap this icon, then select the Logout option from the menu that appears. Confirm your choice to ensure a secure exit from your account. Beyond a simple logout, you can manage all active sessions. Access your security settings within your Binance account. Here, you will find a section detailing all devices currently logged into your account. You have the option to end individual sessions, which is particularly useful if you suspect unauthorized access or forgot to log out from a public computer. This adds an extra layer of protection. Practicing good security habits is crucial. Always remember to log out of your Binance account, especially when using shared or public computers, to prevent unauthorized access. Furthermore, enabling two-factor authentication adds a significant layer of security, requiring a second verification step. Regularly updating your password, perhaps every 3 to 6 months, also helps maintain the integrity and safety of your account. If you encounter difficulties logging out, try a few troubleshooting steps. First, clear your browser's cache and cookies, as this often resolves minor glitches. If using the mobile app, ensure it is updated to its latest version, as older versions might have bugs. Should the problem persist after these steps, do not hesitate to contact Binance customer support for personalized assistance with your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.